How y'all doing today? I would like to go over the ICT Judas swing trades of so far this week. Sunday night going into Monday, and Monday going into Tuesday. Um, I'm gonna try to make this video very short and sweet. I don't want to waste anyone's time. If you're not familiar with ICT Judas Swing, I would definitely recommend go watch all his content and videos first. I am not a teacher. I am a student. I am only putting this video out because I feel as if the dollar index follows the rules and criteria of this setup very, very well. Like the success rate is very high. Um, but it's not that hard of a setup to follow. You literally just mark off the high and the low of the A's in session. It does stop at 2 o'clock, New York. This is 2 a.m. New York. So anything after that, I'm looking for the liquidity rate. We got it to the high. And then we're looking for a market structure shift. So that means when we go from low to high, lower, lower high, we're out of there. That's what we're looking for. And it's very, very, very simple. Um, like here's a 5 minute chart for those that like 5 minute charts and can't fathom trading on the 1 minute chart. So you have your high, you have liquidity come in, grab, and then you have displacement breaking this low right here. Displacement, leaving fair value gaps. We get tapped in on this one. We enter on the median of the fair value gap. And all we do is target the opposite session liquidity. It's not that hard. Can you target lower? Yes. Can you come and get the liquidity right here? Yeah. And guess what it did when it got that liquidity? Took out buy stops right above here because people were like, oh, we're going lower, we're selling, I'm putting my buy stops here. That's what took your ass out. Came back in, went for the day. But anyways, we're not here to talk about that. This is basically the ICT London Judas trade setup. I take it every single day, all day, every day. I did not take this one because I did not feel like trading this morning, this particular morning. I had a long Sunday fun day. And yeah, let's just say that I was not in the coherent mind space to be on the charts and make financial decisions, to say the least. So that was Sunday going into Monday. Let's go over the trade that I took last night while I was watching at the end of Monday Night Football. Went and got right on the charts. As soon as the game ended, wasted no time. So here we go. And as you can see, this one is annotated by executions because I was able to properly get into this one. I took this one on a 1 minute chart. Let's come in here. All right, so let's go over the criteria again. You have your high of Asia, low of Asia. We're waiting for one of these to be rated after 2 o'clock, which is right here. We get that raid. Now, after the raid, we are looking for a market structure shift. So we want these lower highs and lower lows to become higher highs and higher lows. We get that. We get our first, in my opinion, this would have been my, because you got down, up, down. This would have been my change of character first. Could also because it was backed up by displacement when it closed. Me personally, I missed this entry. I did not get this at all. So I waited until after we had this pullback. I said, okay, once price closes basically above where the white line is with the low, like once we're back in here, I was like, okay, I missed the fair value gap entry. I took a market order entry right when I saw that we were closing back into the basically the Asian session zone. So this was a market order. I never do market orders. I will be fully transparent. I do believe in stops and limits. Market orders do come with emotion that can lead to bad decisions. So I try not to ever do that. Basically, I got in at, where is it at, 37? 37, and I had my stops down here. I really could have had it below this fair value gap on the candle that made the fair value gap because we've already rated all of this with this wick right here. But it was late at night. I was just gonna play it safe. I was not gonna watch this trade at all. This was a set and forget. So I literally got in, put my take profit, set my stop loss, and I turned off my computer and went straight to bed. And I woke up like I obviously I didn't even have to wait long, but when I woke up, we already made 1,200 on the day, and we're chilling. But that's the ICT Judas swing on the dollar index during London session. As soon as we come, so end of the day, we get our 6 o'clock, and then boom, our 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. I started from 8. Some people do 7. Some people do after the break of the day. Who cares? What you want to know is the high and the low of the Asian session range. Wait for it to be rated with a market structure shift back in the opposite direction. Enter on order gaps. I'm sorry, order blocks, fair value gaps back to the opposite direction and target session liquidity. And if you want to, you can take off 75% at liquidity, session liquidity, and then you target the New York liquidity after that, which was right here. Did I do that? No, because I'm playing it safe. I have nothing to prove. I would rather be consistent than greedy, and that's what I'm looking at. This is just my quick rundown of the ICT Judas swing trade setups, and I'll just zoom out a little bit. On this account, since I've started this account, I've been trading it since the 16th. I like it. I like it a lot. I really, really do. We took sales here. This was a winning trade. I did not take this one. This was a winning trade. This one right here. Let's take a look at this one actually. Yeah, this one, another winning trade. I did not take this one. This one was a loser. Got stopped out. On the 5 minute chart, you can't see it here, but on the 5 minute chart, this was a L. I took an L right there. This one right here was another L. So let's see. Since the 16th, we've had one L. Very first day I traded it, I took a loss. Next day, took a loss. This day, I took a loss. So I was like down 3R already. And then this day was good, if I'm not mistaken. This was a 4R. I don't know why it's not showing up, but it was a 4R right there. That was Thursday. This one was a 2R. Why is it not showing up? What the fuck? Yeah, so here go my 3 losses in a row. This one was a 4R, so boom, I'm already up 1% Thursday morning. And then Friday was another, oh, Friday was crazy. Friday was a 10R. So I finished the week basically 10R after being 3 on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I was negative 3,000. Finished the week with a 10R, $13,000 swing. And that was that week. Here's this week 4R, a W. Look at this one 2.5R, a W. So if you would have traded last night and today, you're already almost 6 up. For the whole week, for the whole 2 weeks, you're at like 16, 17% up right now. Not bad. It's not bad. And I just really want people to understand and utilize this system. Like it's really, really good. It's very good. And I think it's incredible how we came back into this range right here and we're respecting yesterday's Asian session. Um, but that's not part of the video. That's neither here or there. I just wanted to get this video out just to share the wealth and knowledge with everyone. I appreciate ICT for his teachings. I wouldn't be here making this video without it, and I wouldn't have the understanding of the knowledge and how price moves and how it is booked in if it wasn't for him. Y'all make sure to follow him first and foremost. Feel free to follow me, ask any questions. I'm new here, so I'm here to absorb. Constructive criticism is only going to make me better at this point. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. That's all I got for y'all. Y'all stay blessed, and I'll see y'all tomorrow on another Judas ICT swing trade.